scared the crap out of me. Okay, so that just scared the living bejesus out of me. So I think I'm going to check the weather real quick because it's getting really bad, really fast, and that's kind of scary. Like, we are under a flood statement. Gots to love this. It's got to be from Isaac, I believe. Let me show you real quick. Stay. No. Look at that. My yard's already flooding. Go away. Do you see it? It's like freaking a hurricane out there. What the heck? Stop, Caitlin. You cannot come out here. No. Look at this. Do you guys see this? Oh man, I forgot to take my umbrella down. It's gonna blow away. You see this, guys? It's like a flipping hurricane. It's already flooding. See that? Nah. Like a freaking hurricane. Oh, you're so bad. You're not supposed to be out here. Look at this. Look at this rain pouring off my roof. Look at that. Do you see that? Oh my gosh. It is so bad. Oh, look how flooded it is. Oh my god. Oh. This is bad, guys. Get away from the windows, guys. Away from the windows. Holy cow. See the water pouring off my roof? It's crazy. I really hope the wind doesn't pick up too much because it's going to rip my umbrella out.